Okay, my name is Muchtarussabil from Kelas 12 MIPA 4. Here I will do an English practicum, which is about text explanation. I can tell you about tsunami. Tsunami is a natural disaster caused by the entering waves of the sea to line with a high swiftness as the consequence of the quake, which is centered under the ocean. The quake can be caused by land erosion, shifted plates, and erupted volcano as well as a meteorite that falls in the ocean. Tsunami usually happens if the size of the earthquake exceeds until 7 on the Richter scale. This tsunami is quite dangerous, mainly for those who live around the beach. With great force, it will sweep out whatever around it. From all causes of tsunami, earthquake is the major cause. An earthquake on the bottom of sea gives rise to an application of the seawater that's caused by the change of the profile of the ocean floor that generally occurs because of a tectonic earthquake and perpendicular or vertical ground motion with the surface of the seawater on Earth's surface. If the movements of the ground are horizontal on the surface of the sea, there will not happen tsunami. Even though the movement of the ground is horizontal, but the energy of the earthquake is big, and it can cause the collapse of cliffs or hills on the sea automatically, in which the movement is perpendicular to the surface of the sea. Although there is no earthquake that hits the land directly, which results vertical movement. The condition of a sea and hill in the sea has been unstable, and because of the force of gravity and ocean currents that led to landslides, it causes tsunami. Earthquake causes perpendicular layers motion of Earth. As a result, the sea bottom is suddenly up and down, so that the balance of seawater was disturbed on it. Similarly, with cosmic objects or meteors that falls from above, if the size of a meteor or landslide is quite big, mega tsunami can happen with hundreds of meters high. Vertical movements of the Earth's core because of a volcanic eruption. An earthquake, the avalanche, or a meteor falling into Earth can cause the seafloor becomes up or down suddenly. Therefore, it disturbs the balance of water on it. This makes of the sources of energy flow of seawater on the beach from larger waves to that tsunami happens. Billows can spread to all directions. Energy which conceived in the wave of the tsunami is fixed on the function of the altitude. The height of waves in the sea is only about 1 meter. Thus, the rate of the wave cannot be felt by a ship that was in the middle of the sea. When it approaches the coast, the speed of the tsunami of this decline until about 30 miles per hour, but its the height has increased to reach tens of meters. When it reaches the coast, tsunami enters the land until hundreds of meters, even kilometers. The victim of tsunami is not a little. The casualties are hit by slugs, water flow, and material that carried away by the tsunami. Besides the victim, the tsunami also has a negative impact on the building, herbs, and pollution to agricultural land and water. Okay, that's all about the tsunami from me. Thank you.